subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Teclast recently announced plans to start manufacturing high-end notebook PCs under a new line called TBOLT. Indeed, the Chinese electronics manufacturer that has got a reputation for entry-level and affordable laptops and tablets, has now unveiled the TBOLT 10th-gen. The notebook is the first under a new high-end TBOLT notebook series. Teclast's naming of the TBOLT 10th-gen notebook is quite confusing because the notebook isn't 10 inches in size. Rather, the laptop features a 15.6-inch IPS LCD display with an FHD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Providing the power for the Teclast TBOLT 10th-gen is an Intel Core i7-10510U, 10th generation, processor which uses a 14nm process, has 4 cores and 8 threads, and the turbo frequency can reach 4.9 GHz. The notebook also packs an Intel Iris Xe Max graphics card with 4GB 128-bit LPDDR4X. 4266 VRAM. The notebook will also come with up to 8GB LPDDR4 RAM and there is 256GB SSD on board. The laptop also has dual SSD slots for storage expansion and supports NVMe. You also get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 support, USB-C charging port, 2 USB 3.0 slots. It runs on Windows 10 Home. Teclast TBOLT 10th-gen also adopts a dual fan design, with multiple heat dissipation holes. This design can prevent heat leakage during the conduction process, thereby achieving a better heat conduction effect. Teclast claims that even under high-level work for a long time, the whole system can maintain a constant temperature and run smoothly. In terms of the build, the Teclast TBOLT comes with an ultra-thin body with a near bezel-less display of which the lower bezel is the largest. The laptop is portable, has a metal body, and weighs just 1.82 kilograms, which makes it ultra-lightweight. It is also equipped with a backlit keyboard and has a large touchpad. The price of the laptop is yet to be announced and it is expected to go on sale on Teclast's website, Amazon, Lazada, and AliExpress soon. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.